Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix transaction error on Trust Wallet. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Alright, so open up your Trust Wallet as you normally would. Make sure to sign in. Once you've signed in, we want to go ahead and click on the gear icon on the top left hand corner of the page here. And then we're inside settings. From settings, click onto wallets. Then from here, where it says main wallet 1, click on the 3 dots next to it, and we want to go ahead and rename this wallet. So click on the X to clear the current name and now put another name in there. I'm just going to put in Tutorial Wiz Wallet, and then from here just click on the tick icon top right hand corner of the page to save it. And now as you can see, the Multicoin wallet name has been changed. Then from here, make that transaction and to see if your problem is fixed. If you're still having difficulties, what we can do is go back and go to our Play Store or App Store, search, type in Trust Wallet, and make sure the app is up to date. So if it says, I'll click in the Trust Wallet, if it says open, your app is up to date. But if it isn't, if it says update, go ahead and update it and see if that fixes the issue. Alright, if you've still got issues, what we can do is go ahead and clear the cache. So click and hold down Trust Wallet, click on I to get an app info. From here, navigate lower and click onto storage, and on the bottom right hand corner of the page it says clear cache. Go ahead and check and click on the clear cache to clear it. And there's one more solution we can try. If that problem still isn't fixed, go ahead and uninstall your Trust Wallet by clicking on Trust Wallet, clicking and holding it down, the button down, and then click on uninstall, and then go back to your Play or App Store and reinstall your Trust Wallet application.